Hello everyone, my name is Avni,
And I'm Sanika.
and together we've made this presentation about homophobia in India.
So to start off, our aim for today's project is to help our peers at Iowa State get a better understanding of the apprehension surrounding homosexuality in India. So many homophobic people in India belong to the older generations. That stems from the lack of knowledge about the subject. So our project aims on the evolving laws and policies regarding homosexuality, and we hope that you learn a little bit more about the problems and issues in India. So here are some basic definitions. So homophobia, that's the discrimination against homosexuality. Homosexuality is the sexual attraction or behavior amongst members of one's own sex. There is LGBTQIA+, that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex, asexual, and other sexual identities. And discrimination, which is the act of differentiating and making unjustified distinctions amongst a particular group.
So to provide some background and context on homosexuality in India, India wasn't always a very homophobic country. In fact, it was very open, accepting, and liberal. However, this rise of negativity surrounding homosexuality and homophobia began during the British rule in India, which lasted for about 200 years. Traditional Hindu literary sources, in fact, do not speak of homosexuality directly, but definitely insinuate homoerotic encounters as well as third gender characters. And this is found in both traditional religious narratives as well as regional folklore. And India's fluid gender and sexual norms did not fit into the strict Victorian concepts of appropriate sexual behavior. And to discuss some examples regarding the evolving laws and policies about homosexuality in India, the first one is the abolishment of Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code on September 6, 2018. The Supreme Court of India abolished Section 377, which stated that homosexuality was a crime and it was an unnatural offense which would result in a punishment of a life sentence. And this law was introduced in 1861 during British rule in India. And this case to abolish Section 377 was led majorly by the lawyer couple Menka Guruswamy and Arundhati Kaju. The aftermath of this historic verdict was multiple pride parades and celebrations all across India, and it definitely sparked a lot of enthusiasm in the youth to continue this fight and help legalize gay marriage in India.
So the second example was a pretty recent event. It was a petition that has been filed with the Delhi High Court to legalize gay marriage. The event took place on October 2020, and the petition hasn't been approved. However, it's been under progress. And the aftermath was that there still has been a lot of awareness, and there have been a lot of campaigns regarding it. People have been more informed, and there was a lot of social media awareness. The hashtag Yes Homo Vivaho, which means Yes Homo Marriage, gained a lot of popularity in the past couple of weeks.
Mm-hmm. And this is a picture of the two lawyers who filed the petition against towards the abolishment of Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. Now, coming to resolution and what can be done to prevent all of this homophobia in the country. There definitely needs to be a lot more awareness and education, especially amongst the older population regarding homosexuality. And as citizens, we need to be good allies and stand firm to support individuals of the LGBTQ community. We need to familiarize ourselves and inform ourselves about this taboo. And in order to normalize homosexuality, there needs to be enough discussion in classrooms regarding it, as well as to further increase the reach and spread more awareness, we need to include homosexuality in scripts of television shows and movies.
Here are some sources that helped us put our presentation together. And here are some really beautiful pictures of pride parades in India. Thank you so much for watching our presentation, and I hope you learned something new.
Thank you.